Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Uber app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. You're scrolling down here, click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you just scrolling down here, click here on communications. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. You will find your feedback. Click in this sign. So then like you see, this scholarship for assessment, it's enabled with us now. Click in this sign here. We will go back, click on save changes, then it's going to save with us. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.